In this video, I will cover error messages that may occur on your PAT 4.0 system. Error number 11 is tie stuck, exit sensor obstructed. Depending on your version of firmware, you may also see error number 9, which is exit sensor dirty or blocked. That occurs when the exit sensor at the front of the dispenser is either obstructed by a cable tie or the sensor is dirty. Let me simulate that error. When this error occurs, just press the silence button, and then what you want to do, press the back button, remove the hose from the front of the dispenser, and if there's a tie sticking out here, just take and remove it, put the hose back on, and then continue operation. After removing the PHM hose from the front of the dispenser, if no cable tie is found, grab a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol on it, and you want to insert it inside the hole where the cable tie comes out of the dispenser. The sensor lens is found on the top and bottom, approximately 1.5 inches inside the dispenser unit. So again, just slide the cotton swab top and bottom to clean the sensor lens. Once you clean the sensor lens, you should be able to reinsert the hose, and then you're ready to go. If the problem persists, either contact your maintenance department or Panduit customer service to send the dispenser unit in for repair. That's how you clear error number 11 on your PAT 4.0 system.